My name is Lori Lindgren. I am a certified yoga and mindfulness-based stress reduction teacher. And I'll be teaching the mindfulness-based stress reduction, or we could call it MBSR course. Uh, this course includes a variety of meditation practices as well as mindful movement practices. These movements are done to your own level of comfort. So, listening to your body is part of this mindfulness practice. And we'll also do some experiences and quite a bit of discussion with each other. So, MBSR is a scientifically researched method for reducing physical and psychological suffering while building resilience, balance, and peace of mind. MBSR is a non-sectarian approach that fits in harmony with any faith-based tradition. Some of the things we'll explore are mindful eating, body scan meditation, awareness of breathing, and an opportunity to notice unpleasant as well as pleasant events. We'll also get a chance to do walking meditation as well as some perception experiences. Talk about the stress response, and we'll dig into how to make seated meditation a little bit more comfortable. We might even try some standing meditation if you're up for it. So we'll get to do some silent meditation while in that class. We'll also look at habits, some responses that are nourishing, some responses that are not so nourishing. And we'll get to do something called metta practice or loving kindness practice. So, all of these experiences, by the end of the course, you'll have a sense of many different options with which to sustain your practice as you move into the rest of your life. So, some of the things included in this class are setting guidelines with each other, including confidentiality, and that does create a sense of trust and ease with each other. And it's very handy to have that while opening and sharing experiences. And that way we get to learn from each other. And we'll also be mobilizing innate resources, exploring patterns, communication styles, and gaining familiarity with neuroplasticity, as well as appreciation practices. And we'll get to notice what we take in on an average day. And I'd love to share a ton of quotes from people who have been through this course, but I may only have time for one. So here it is. I'm giving myself a pause in the moment of extreme frustration, and I am able to navigate those moments with more ease and less stress. And I hope I get to see you in class. Thank you.